Hello guys, how important is your maintenance? Okay, how important is your maintenance? And if you don't fix serpentine belt, simple as serpentine belt can cause electrical problems. And look at this belt, how old is the belt that it broke. A little piece of this, and if you see here, it's supposed to be from here all the way here, so it broke a pretty big piece out of the serpentine belt, and while the car was driving, that piece hit and broke wires in the back. The wire that goes actually in the timing solenoid. So there's a timing solenoid in the motor on the side of the engine, and it broke that belt. That belt hit those wires, broke those wires while the car was driving, and unfortunately the car shut off at the moment it was driving, and the customer has to tow the vehicle to the shop. So after doing all the electrical component disconnected and checking every single sensors on the machine side, we thought it was going to be the ECM, but it wasn't the computer. It was the actually serpentine belt after we did all the diagnostic. So it's very important for you to do your maintenance on time. Simple as serpentine belt can damage and create more problem. So if you need any maintenance, or you're not sure if you need any maintenance, that's what we're here for. We're the doctor of your vehicle. So at Xavier's Auto Center, please call us at 267-686-3179. We have a wonderful team. We have a team that is prepared for you.